Hello YouTube and welcome to another video brought to you by Mick2. So for this video, I'm just going to walk you through how to set up EcoFlow. So I'll start to unbox it and then we can walk through how to really set this up. So the whole point of actually getting an EcoFlow power unit is that I'll be traveling to Ghana by the end of the year, and with Ghana currently there's a bit of a power supply issue, so there's quite intermittent when it comes to power supply. So I want to make sure that once I get to Ghana, I do not face any issues working from Ghana and also not having issues to enjoy my entertainments like Netflix. So I decided to get myself an EcoFlow power bank which will support all my gadgets. So this is going to support my laptop, my mobile devices, my tablets, and whatever you, and even all the appliances in the house. But before I actually take it to Ghana, I just want to make sure I test it out first before I do so. So for this video, I'm just going to unbox it, and then we have a bit of run through how to set this unit up. So let's get to it.
All right, let's unbox this beast and see what goodies we have inside the box. First up, we have the EcoFlow Delta Max unit itself. Just look at the slick design. Next, we got all the necessary cables, the DC to DC cable, AC charging cable, and a car charging cable. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty. Here are the battery capacity. This baby boasts a whoopee 2016 watts lithium-ion battery. That's enough to keep your device running even when you are middle of nowhere. Output ports. A total of 15 output ports, 4 AC outlets, 2 USB-C, 2 USB-A fast charging, 2 standard USB-A, 2 DC 5521 ports, and 1 car power output. It's like a sweet army knife on power station. Input options. You can charge it via an AC wall outlet, a car charger, or a solar panel. It supports up to 800 watts solar input. Recharging from 0 to 80 is just 65 minutes with an AC outlet. Expandable capacity. Connect additional EcoFlow smart power banks to extend the capability of this unit to 6,000 kilowatts. Weight and portability. At 48 pounds, that's 21 kilograms, it's no featherweight, but considering its power, it's pretty good trade-off for portability. Now let's set this bad boy up and get it running. Just plug it into a wall outlet and watch the magic happen. The LCD screen gives you all the information you need: current input and output, remaining battery percentages, and estimated recharging time. It's like having your own personal power plant. Let's put a Delta Max to the test with some real-world scenarios. First up, let's see how it handles my daily essentials. As you can see, the Delta Max is multitasking master. It powers my laptop, keeps my fridge running, and charges my phone all at once. The AC outlet provides pure sine wave power. Now let's talk about something super cool, the EcoFlow app. Yes, there is an app for that. This thing is like a remote control for your power station. You can monitor the status, control the output, and even set up charging schedule right from your phone. Let me show you how easy it is to get this connected. First, download the EcoFlow app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once you have got it installed, open the app, create an account if you don't have one already, then turn on the Delta Max and make sure your phone's Bluetooth is enabled. The app should automatically detect the Delta Max. Just follow the on-screen instruction to pair them up. Boom, you are in and connected. Through the app, you can check the current battery level, input and output power, and even adjust the settings. It's like having a power station command center in your pocket. perfect for when you are lasering around in your RV or you don't feel like getting out to check the unit. Now let's talk about how many laptops and phones you can connect to your Delta Max. The answer is quite a few. With a 4 AC outlet, 2 USB-C ports, and 4 USB-A ports, you can easily charge multiple laptops and phones at the same time. Alright, so now let's see how you can charge our smart devices. You can charge them all simultaneously, as you can see from here. The USB port support fast charging, so you can charge all your devices and use them up quickly. This is perfect for those times when you are at a family reunion and everyone needs to charge their phone at once. No more fighting over outlets. So there you have it, the EcoFlow Delta Max. With its massive capacity, fast charging, versatility input and output, a super handy app, and the ability to charge multiple laptops and phones simultaneously, it's like having a tiny portable superhero by your side. Whether you are prepared for emergency, or you're planning a camping trip, or you just want a reliable backup power solution, the Delta Max has you covered. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more tech reviews like this. So I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.